Let's continue studying the laws of logarithms. Previously, we saw how to form two of the laws of logarithms. The one that has to do with multiplication, where log of xy is log x plus log y. The other one with division of the two numbers that you're finding the log of a product. The other one is the log of a quotient, where you divide, and that was the log of x divided by y is log x minus log y. Right? Now let's look at yet another one. Suppose you have the log of, say, x raised to the power of y. And remember now, the base of the log is b. X raised to the power of y equals, so it's equal to your answer a. Alright, good. Now, let's write this from log form to index form. Before I do that, let me make a note here that if the log of 1000 is 3, where the base of the log is 10, and we know that 10 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1000. Alright? Now remembering to jot that down will help you look at the right pattern in order to write from log to index form or from index to log form. Now remember that here it is the x to the y that you're logging. Let's write this in index form. Now we're going from log to index form. When you're finding the log of 1000 equal to 3, where the base is 10, the base in log form is 10. Now the base in log form, when you write in index form, is what you're raising to the power of. So here the base in index form is also 10. Alright, the base in log form here is b. So in index form, the base is also b. It's what you're going to raise to the power of the number. Here, you're finding the log of 1000 in log form. You say equal 1000 in index form. Here you're finding the log of x to the y in log form. It is x to the y in index form. Alright? Here in log form, you say equal 3. In index form, it's a index that you're raising the number to. Here in log form, the answer is a. In index form, it is the number that you're raising the power of b to. In other words, it is the index. Alright? Now, suppose you have, you want to have x by itself. You're saying, what is x equal to? Well, in this case, what you do is raise both sides to the power of 1 over y. In other words, you're going to find the y root of each. Alright? But we use raising to the power of 1 over y. So if you raise b to the a to the power of 1 over y, it will become b raised to the power of a and that raised to the 1 over y equals, so you have x to the y raised to the power of 1 over y, or 1 divided by y. Alright? So, when you have in indices, when you have a number raised to a power, and then that is raised to another power, you multiply the indices. So, what you have here is b raised to the a times 1 over y, which is a over y, equal. Here, you have x to the y over y. Right? But y over y is 1. So it's x to the 1, which is just x. So let's keep it as x. So there you have that. Now the thing is, what I want to do is convert this from index form to log form. Alright? So let's do that. In index form, remember, you're raising 10 to the power. 10 is the base in index form. It is also the base in log form. So 10 to the power of in index form becomes the base of the log in log form. So in this case, you're raising b to the power. So you're going to say log, and you put b as the base. Here in index form, you have the index being 3. In log form, it is the answer that you get as 3. So in index form, the index is a over y. In log form, it is the answer. So you say a over y. Alright? Then, notice in index form, you have the answer 1000. In log form, it is the number you're logging. Here in index form, you have the answer equal x. In log form, it's the number that you're logging. Alright? Now, what is a equal to here? When you have this, notice if you should multiply both sides by y, what you would have is time y, and this will be times y, and put the y in front here. But then y cancels y, so you have a left. So y into y goes one time, y into y goes one time. You would have a left over. So you have y log x, the base is b, is equal to a. Let's rewrite it and put the a on the left. A is equal to, and the y log b log x, where the base b on the right, y log x to the base of b. Alright, hold on. This is a, but this was a as well. You notice? This is a. So you can actually write the log of x to the y is equal to y log x. Oh, it does work. So this is the third law of logarithm that we're looking at. So let's write it up here. If you have the log of x raised to the power of y, that is equal to y log x. Alright, so there are the 3 laws of logarithms which we have formulated. I'll see you in the next video.